And if you still sleep on Amazon wigs, what are you doing? I just have to show y'all again, like, how nice this lace is. It looks so good. And it's already melting into my skin so good. From the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'. Alright y'all, so today we have 2 unboxings to do, and these are both wigs from Amazon. Like, these are straight up Amazon wigs. Videos that y'all love that I post, like the real Amazon wig reviews, we got some to do today. So I'm actually gonna start with this one since I know what this wig is. So let's jump straight into this unboxing, you guys. So this is actually how the wig came from Amazon. It didn't come in the Amazon bag, and the Amazon trucker literally dropped it off just like this. And yeah, so I mean, I guess that's secure, but the wig's in here, so it made it. So in the bag we have, well, first let me read what it says. Wear and Go glueless wigs, human hair, natural hair color, and 20 inches. Okay, y'all, this is the unit. And on here it also says 20 inches is the length, style is curly, 13x4 lace front wig. I'm so excited, like, oh, y'all can't really read that, but I'm gonna show y'all. And also come with this little, I'm assuming like a little headband, a little tie thing you can tie around. Yeah, that's actually so freaking cute. Like, wait a minute, because I don't ever wear these, but they are actually so cute. If I wanted to like wear it like right there and have my edges showing, that's actually so freaking cute, and it just kind of gives like luxury, you know. And also y'all, this unit right here is also a wig that is on Amazon. This is from Elva Hair. All right y'all, so this video is not about this wig, but I am going to go over it briefly because I know y'all are wondering where this wig is from. And since this is also an Amazon wig, I'm just going to touch on this wig briefly. And this is the 28-inch curly wig from Elva Hair, and this is the HD lace. Like, the lace, literally there is no lace to see. Like, be real, do y'all see lace at all? Like, do y'all see any like little holes or anything? You don't even see lace or knots. The knots bleach so freaking good, and this is the actual HD lace wig. And I think this is the first HD lace wig that I've gotten from Amazon. Literally HD lace. Fullness of this hair, first of all, y'all can clearly see the hair is still wet, but when I tell y'all I've been wearing this wig for like the past month, and y'all know I get a lot of wigs, I wear a lot of wigs, I review a lot of wigs, install a lot of wigs, but this is one wig that I have been wearing literally for the past month. Like, this is one of my favorite wigs ever. Like, I'm thinking about making a video of all my favorite wigs I've ever gotten. This is definitely going on the list as a quality wig, because the lace, it's just the lace for me, for one, because where is the lace? Literally, it looks like my real hairline, if you ask me. And the fullness of this hair is insane. I'll insert a clip where I was like brushing the hair right before this video and like defining the curls and everything, and how big the hair is when I brushed it out. It's so big, y'all. Again, this unit, you can get this unit on Amazon in my storefront right down below in this description. Definitely shop this wig. I recommend this wig 10 out of freaking 10, no exaggeration. Like, I'm just going to start some clips of me wearing a wig and pictures, because I literally been rocking this for like the past month. And this is the 26-inch unit from Elva Hair. This is their curly unit. It doesn't really say if it's like a deep curly or jerry curly, but I think they only have like one kind of curly wig. But these curls right here, so freaking pretty. Like, and the hair is still drying, y'all, and the hair just dries so freaking big and full, like, no exaggeration. And this is a closer, so it can definitely be worn glueless. There's a elastic band back here that I can adjust to make it tight to my head. You don't have to wear no glue. Glueless, put the band on. And yeah, y'all, it's just everything about this wig. I need y'all to get this wig for real. Like, get into it. And this is only 26 inches. Let me show y'all how this unit is actually true to length, because this is 26 inches. Like, usually with curly hair they say like 26, but it'd be like up here because it'd be shrunk. No, this is actually like true to length. Like this is long. When I first got this unit, I literally thought it was 30 inches long, but this is just 26 inches, y'all. So definitely click the link in my Amazon storefront to get this unit. Again, this is a 5x5 HD, emphasis on HD because it is literally HD, so thin. Like the lace is so thin, it melts so good. You don't have to put no makeup on the lace to melt it. HD lace, 5x5, 26 inch, 180 density unit from Elva Hair on Amazon. Check that out and shop this unit, y'all. Now back to this unboxing. I just had to let y'all know the deets on this bomb wig because I'm gonna stop talking about this wig, but I just cannot get enough of this wig. I'm actually gonna get another one. When this wig, I mean, it's been lasting me for a very long time. I'm sorry, I just gotta let y'all know it's been lasting me for a very long time, and I be wearing this to the gym every day, and every time I brush through it and refresh the curls, it just comes right back to life. And whenever this wig does, I mean, I guess like shed, or if the lace just gets a hole in it or something, which I mean, the wig's just been amazing this whole time, like from the time I've had it. And I had the review and unboxing and install on my channel, so y'all can go back and see how far ago that was. I've been wearing this wig since that video, and honestly, whenever this wig just, you know, is on its last leg, which I feel like that's not gonna be for a minute because this is like some quality, thick, like just beautiful hair, I'm going to order another one in its place because I have to have it. Like this right here, I just feel like that girl, and I am, and you can be too. Get your wig, Amazon storefront, link in my description. Because why wouldn't you just get the wig? And it's on Amazon. Just get the wig, y'all. Link in my description. All right, so like I was saying with this unit, this is also a curly wig. I just love curly. I'm just not gonna go on another rant, but curly hair just does it for me, for real. All right, so like I was saying, you just see it better now. Length 20 inches style, curly 13x4 lace front wig. And y'all know that I like short curly hair as well. I have a few videos on my channel where I have like 22 inch curly wigs, and they just turn out so good. Like they look so natural and they look so good once you do the baby hairs and like define the curls. So I feel like this is a wig that I'm going to fall in love with as well. Amazon wig, y'all. So it comes with some HD wig caps and these lashes that are actually not too bad. So now let's unbox and see what it's looking like. Take this out, take off this, and from first looks, the lace on here looks really, really good. I'm gonna have to go look at the details on this unit again because I don't know if this is HD lace or not. And I can confirm that this is HD lace, y'all. I did have to go back and check, but this is definitely HD lace. But it's looking like HD lace. The lace is super thin. Like now that I've actually done like a lot of wig reviews, I can tell the difference between like good lace and like lace that's just okay lace, because I don't feel like any lace is like bad lace. If you know how to like blend the lace and put makeup on it and pluck the wig right and, you know, melt it, then it can melt. You can melt any lace, but some lace is just easier to melt and you don't have to do as much work with it. And I feel like this is a lace, this is a case where this is like some better quality lace, because first of all, look at it on my hand, and y'all see how it just melts into my hand. Usually when I do that, the lace looks very, very white and noticeable, but I mean with this, yeah, y'all see what I'm saying about the difference? How it just melts into my hand, and you can't really notice it if I do like this. You can't notice that lace on my hand. And like up close you can kind of see it, but it still melts very, very, very good. So that's already a green flag. 10 out of 10 plus for that. 10 points. The curls on here, they look really pretty. The curls on the wig, like around it, look like different textures. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like these right here are very tight, and then these over here are more like, you see what I mean? But maybe that's just from the packaging and it, you know, getting knocked around in delivery. But I know once I wet the curls and like brush through them really good, I just know it's gonna look really pretty. All right, and this is what the lace is looking like. It starts right here and goes all the way back to right here. So I'm not mad at that. That is a deep enough part for me. Like that is good. That looks like a real 4 inches, which I'm okay with. And you got the sides right here with your typical like inch. that's okay with me as well. Most Amazon wigs are like that, so I'm not complaining. And then same thing on this side, about an inch, inch and a half. And yeah, this is the length of the wig. This is going to be actually so freaking pretty when I install it. I already know this has definitely got to be some HD lace, you guys. I mean, it's not the typical white Amazon lace. Hold on, I just have to show y'all again like how nice this lace is. It looks so good, and it's already melting into my skin so good. So I'm going to bleach the knots on this unit, y'all, pluck it. And let me also say this, I know y'all been asking for the bleaching and plucking tutorial, and that is also on the way. I promise that video will be uploaded either this month or next month. I'm holding myself to that, and I'm gonna get that delivered to y'all. And I will also have a lot more Amazon wig reviews coming. I know I've been doing like a lot of bigger companies and like sponsored videos, but I know y'all want to see like Amazon wig. I would definitely be doing a lot of those for y'all this year, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe to see when I post more Amazon wigs and those tutorials. And again, like I said, this is a unit from Amazon, so definitely click the link in my description and go on my storefront and shop this wig from Velvet Hair in 26 inches, y'all. And thank me later, because you're going to love this unit, and it's not even all the way dry yet, and it's just gonna get so, it's gonna get so full, and y'all are gonna love it. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more content just like this. I'll have a lot of Amazon wigs coming for y'all this year. And if you are subscribed to me, I know I've been slacking on the Amazon wigs content. I actually have a lot of them that I just need to like edit, record, and like post. But I also been busy with like other sponsored videos from bigger companies, which I've been enjoying as well, showing y'all like different hairstyles, tutorials, and those bigger companies for y'all that are interested. But yeah, y'all, we got a lot of content coming for this next year. And it's not just hair content, like traveling content, because when I started my channel, I wasn't really just posting all hair content. That's just kind of what it's been lately, because that's just what's been, that's what's been working. So I'm definitely going to keep the hair content coming, but also travel content, makeup tutorials, all that lifestyle. So yeah, y'all. And I don't want my like OG subscribers from when I was back in college that was watching my travel vlogs and my like spring break vlogs, my Shein hauls and all that. Don't feel neglected, because I still am going to be posting all that content, but I just have to like schedule that for my channel, and not just, you know, even though it is still going to be hair content, I also want to include other content. So y'all, thank you for being patient with me and being subscribed. And yeah, so y'all, I am going to bleach the knots on this unit, pluck the hairline, so don't go nowhere. And yeah, BRB. All right, so this is how the hair is turning out. And honestly, y'all, the hair is still like kind of wet, so I predict that it's gonna dry even a little bit more fuller than this. But this is so freaking pretty. Like, y'all know I love short curly hair. Y'all know I love all kind of hair, because I say that about all my wigs, but I really do love short curly hair. And I have a lot of, well, I wouldn't say a lot, but I have a few videos on my channel where I'm reviewing and installing these kind of like short curly wigs with like where I do my little baby hairs. And I just love these for like everyday kind of looks. Like, this is a wig that I can wear for like a month straight and not wear no other wigs, because this just like, you could wear this kind of hair anywhere. Like, first of all, a lot of people are gonna think this is my real hair, and this is gonna be my new wig for like the next probably few weeks, no lie. Like, I'm about to be wearing this wig, so I may even do an updated video for this wig. Stay tuned for that, and then comment down below if that's something that y'all want to see, so I can be more, you know, inclined to post it and to actually remember. But this is just so, and the hair is so freaking soft, y'all. Look at the curls, so freaking pretty. And the baby hairs just turned out so bomb. I did cut these a little too short over here, but I mean, it still looks really, 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 really cute. Baby hairs over here, bomb. I want these to show more, so I'm gonna like do like that. But yeah, this hair is so pretty. I think I might actually cut it a little bit too short on this side as well, but like, I think that even gives it more of like a natural look, the way that it looks so short, kind of like in the front, compared to the rest of the wig, gives it even more of a natural look. And I just love the way this hair just looks, the way it's so soft. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all can just tell from the video how soft this hair is. The hair is so soft and it's fluffy. I don't know, when I first installed this wig, I didn't think it was gonna dry full. I thought it was gonna dry like skimpy, but this is tea. Like, and y'all know this is from Amazon, super affordable, because y'all know I keep the fire Amazon wigs coming for y'all. So you seen it here first, okay? And this is not no sponsored video. I'm not getting paid to say this. Like, I just love me a bomb Amazon wig, and I know y'all love them too. So yeah, let's get into it. Nah, this is just so fire. Nah, this right here is really my speed. Like, I don't care what nobody say. I love me a wig down, and like this right here, my new wig for the next few weeks, and like this just gives natural, like, real hair. Like, this is literally my real hair. It's soft, it's full. Look at this hair. It's not even all the way dry yet. The curls are so freaking pretty. Like, let's really get into it. Bomb. Baby hairs 8 down. Yeah, TAF. I feel like this side of my baby hairs looks better than this side. I don't know though. I love this. I just love this. Love, 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 love this. Like, literally, I'm in love. Like, this hair is so freaking soft that it's almost like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's full. It's not the fullest wig, but the hair is so soft that like it almost just feels like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's really, really soft, y'all. The wig doesn't feel heavy at all. That's the best way I can describe what I'm trying to say. Like, the hair is obviously appearing to be full, but it doesn't feel like there's hair. Like, it just is so soft and like airy, but it's still so like, you know, you get what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here because it is almost 2 a.m. in the morning and the hair is still like a little bit damp, like at the roots at some parts, but I mean, this pretty much is like 95% dry, 90% dry. So y'all get a good look for what the hair is going to dry like, what it looks like wet, curls on it when they're dry. And I definitely recommend this wig for the price that it is and the fact that it's on Amazon. Like, come on, y'all know I'm the Amazon wig plug. So link in my description down below for my Amazon storefront to get this unit, and click that link and get this unit. Like, tell me it's not giving that it's my real hair. Like, tell me it's not. Tell me this can't pass as my real hair. Tell me. This is literally my real hair. Like, and nobody can tell me that it's not. And I'm gonna walk around and I already know I'm gonna get so many compliments like, oh my god, your hair looks so pretty. I'm gonna say thank you and leave it at that because my hair looks so pretty. I know, thanks. I got it from Amazon. I just love me a good Amazon wig, and I love doing these reviews for y'all. And I got some more Amazon wigs on the way, as y'all seen in the beginning of the video. Got another video coming very shortly, so subscribe if you're not right now so you can see that video when it drops. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And boom, that's the end of this video, y'all. This is how the hair turned out. And here are just some clips of me with this hair in. And y'all, this freaking wig right here, this HD lace wig, this 13x4 HD lace wig is only $96. Like, this wig is only $96 right now, y'all. That don't even sound right coming out my mouth. Like, the lace on this wig is amazing. Y'all already seen it. This is HD lace. I showed y'all. Look at the baby hairs. Look at the fullness, the curls, everything about this wig. Is a 13x4. I'm rocking a side part. You could do a middle part, half up, half down, all that. So definitely shop the link in my storefront, y'all. And stay tuned for my next Amazon wig video that's dropping soon. And stay tuned for the actual install of this video. I am going to post the install of this wig shortly. So thank y'all so much for watching. Shop the links below on my Amazon storefront. Love y'all so much. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Also, again, if you decide to shop this wig, this is the WIGMY unit on my Amazon storefront.